Hey guys, it's me, your number one Crossing fan. I got another charger for this guy, the OEM charger, because the other one from Amazon decided to be an ass. And plus, this thing, it can't connect to a button battery. Hang on. And I'm gonna replace it with this board because there's no way I'm gonna be able to get this out without using a soldering iron. So, here's the battery from the other board. I put it in, and it pops out. Just wait. Oh, right. You see, it's not going in properly because it doesn't have small plastic bits that hold the thing together. So this, it clicks in, and it's ideal. Remove the RAM sticks, put it on that one. You know what I did while I had the other charger? I replaced the charging port that didn't work. I tried scrubbing it with isopropyl alcohol. It sort of worked, but no, it didn't work fully. So then I ended up having to go back to school and ask for another charger. Thanks to the IT teacher being nice enough to actually lend me one, because he was actually the one that gave me this laptop. Alright, let's go. Time to get my screwdrivers and get this over with. First off, I'm removing my solid state drive, my SATA SSD. It says it has 240 gigabytes on it, but I think Windows took 28 gigabytes, and so it displayed 222. Slides right out, just like that. See, 240 gigabytes. Okay, I was testing that. Oh, it's mirrored. 240 gigabytes solid state drive. Hey, look, you can see Speedy Comet. Look right here. The battery's right here. It's an LB1 high performance battery. Then reliable. Oh, I actually have a bunch of other batteries. Even one that has the LB1 performance thing on it. These 5 screws in the back where the battery is at are the most annoying screws to get out. Because I didn't even know they were there until further inspection. That was before I actually knew how to take this thing apart. But now that I've been doing this for the past few years, I've had this laptop, and knowing IT stuff, not the clown. Oh shit! No! Got it. Oh, screw. Alright, that's all the... Wait, no. Hang on. Okay. Continue. I had to make a quick text message. The 3 Phillips heads. 2 for the keyboard, 1 for the disk drive. The disk drive was being stubborn, as seen from a previous Y1CF video. I was trying to update Pinnacle Studio 15, but then it didn't work, so I ended up having to use another disk drive in which it did work. Just pop this out. Here it is, the disk drive. I have another one which sounds differently. I'll show you at the end of the video. Alright, now that... What the hell? Why aren't you coming off? Oh, I got one. I can't get the other one. Maybe if I use the magnet. Alright, I got it. That's two. All the Phillips heads are now out. Now, time for the Torx screws. There's a whole bunch of them. There's a whole bunch of Torx screws that I ended up having to keep this screwdriver with me just because of this purpose. And they're all the same size, so I could just put them in the same pile. Come on. Some of them screws are really, really hard to get out. You see the magnet I attached to the screwdriver? It's ultra magnetized. This is the way to magnetizing it further. And so I could just do this and grab the screw with it. Oh shit. Oh god, I have to do this for every single fucking screw I unscrew. No, yes. Also, according to the school, there are three of these laptops that I know of. Mine, Olympic Class Ships, and the one that's at my school. Those are the last of them. That's the last of them. I think the others have been given to other students like me. So I can say that that we are the last of us. Yeah, you get the reference I put in? I have parts of them. And I basically do what Wally does. Take parts when my own parts are broken. I probably should have stuck with that board instead of this one. Because the button battery mount is, not good. Oh shit, I also have to replace the Wi-Fi thing. I almost forgot. I might as well do it now after I unscrew the screw. Damn, you're attractive. Just like my girlfriend. Alright. Oh, from the old. Straight into the new. And let's just hope I can fit you in. Right. There we go. Now it's in, and that part's out. Let's continue removing these painful Torx screws. And then there's 4 more under the keyboard. Oh no. Ouch. I ain't letting you see my face. Ugh. Got that side. In the past, I made a few videos with this laptop and its shitty webcam. 480p, 4:3 aspect ratio. That goes to show how old this laptop is. I think it's from 2011 to 2014. Maybe it's a 2013 one. Right. I think that is all of them. Yeah, that's all of them. Now what do I do next? See all the stickers? This came from Toyota. Number 63. I open this. This is what I have to see. Uh-oh. Oh, the keyboard does that by itself. So you push this back here, pull this up, and this should come out. Oh, wrong side. There should be a little tab you can pull up, then this comes out. This keyboard is bent. I do have a spare one, I'll see if that works. And then you see the 4 Torx screws. That's where I'm going to get to next. And you're not going to be able to see me correctly this way, but I'm going to do these 4 real quick. Now, there's also some wires they have to disconnect first. Thanks for sticking by me. That's what you should do, subscribers. It sucks that old laptops have screws other than Phillips Phillips heads. I ended up having to use a Torx screwdriver. And this one isn't coming off. Oh well. Alright, next step after that, I pull on this like that. And everything else should snap off. Oh, minor note, there's 2 screws here, but this part snapped off, so I'm not gonna, pull this part. Alright, and right here, you gotta be careful. There's an SD card. Oh, there's an SD card slot here. Gotta unplug it from there. And I got this part out. And here's the board that I wanna replace. Oh shit. Fine, I'll give it the proper view. There we go. Now you can see what I'm doing. Perfect. Alright. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3 screws holding this down. Also remove this. This is for the screen. It's quite painful if you have nails. I might take this charging port. You know what, just for safety measure, I might as... Wait, should I? One sec. Yeah, I'm gonna switch out the charging port. Okay, let's go. And also, there's one screw here that I have to remove because the connector for the battery is actually connected to the board itself. Oh, this would be where the disk drive goes. So it lays like this, and it connects to here. This is an extender because I don't know why. But I tried it without the connector, this extra piece right here. Here's the closer. Ow! I'm fine. I just scratched myself here. Right here. Here's a closer look at this part. As you can see, this part connects to here. They're SATA ports, I think. And okay, I removed the hard drive. That's the main part. Alright, one board screw. I mean, two board screws. And a little bit of a 3. Now, this board should be able to come out just like that. There we go. Now I'm gonna take its charging port. Oh no. Okay. Alright. Here's the board that will be going in. You slip in right here. Alright, you go here. Oh shit, you're in the wrong way. There we wait, no. You do go in this way. There we go. Alright, that's in. I'm pretty sure there was another screw. I think this might fit it. Okay, it does. Okay, so now 2 screws holding this down, in which that's supposed to be seen. Yeah. Alright. Now we're gonna put everything back together. Screw 1, screw 2. And 3. Don't forget to put the screen connector back on. or as Dell calls it on the Chromebooks, EDP. The one who wanted, that one YouTuber wanted a cupcake. I don't know why Dell calls this part the EDP. Alright. I'm not sure if this thing works. Please hope it does, because come on, I've been stuck with a mouse for a year now. Maybe 2, I don't know. Yeah, maybe 1 year. This snaps back in place. And I can connect these wires back in. Wait. Oh, what the fuck? You're still in there? Oh, damn. That's how girls are to me. The burger at Famous Dave's. That burger at Famous Dave's is so good. Alright, that's all 4. Now I can... I don't want to try out the new keyboard. Now I can put this back in. Put you like this. Push you in here. That's not pressed in. Now, all of this it's in there. There's a screw that's supposed to be here, but the thing that's supposed to hold the screw in is not there. All right, time for you to go back in. And also time for you to go back in. You're much lighter than an actual HDD or hard drive. The one with the spinning motor that spins up to 5,000 or 7,000 RPM. That's 1. That's 2. Three. Almost died to 1. And 4. Alright. Disk drive screw. I use the disk drive a lot, especially for Pinnacle Studio videos. And speaking of, I forgot to review the Ultimate Pinnacle Studio Videos version 3. Keyboard screw, keyboard screw. These 3 are Phillips screws only. What the hell? Are you not? You're not plugged. You're not placed in properly. Oh shit. Hang on, I have to do this while standing. Come on. Oh fuck. No, 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 no. Why are you doing this to me? Okay, there we go. Right, now, there we go. There we go. Don't forget to reconnect the internet cable so I can connect to my Bluetooth mouse. And it snaps in just like that. Now, there's another one, and I know what it's used for. Oh, same thing, Wi-Fi. I saw it on the Dell Chromebook 3100. Now, time to torque down all these Torx screws, which is literally madness. Uh-oh, there's one in there already. Alright, that's all of them. Now, where's my... Torx screwdriver. I can't read it. The printing has rubbed off throughout years of use. Oh, damn, this only took 20 minutes? Or this only took half an hour to do? Wow. It takes me literally 15 or 14 minutes just to disassemble the whole thing. That's how skilled I am at taking one of these apart. Come on, come. Well, a secret special somebody is going to be watching this video. Well, the raw video. And they're going to watch 25 or so minutes of me doing this. Now, I gave the battery a little charge with the original charger. So I think the battery has a little bit of juice in it. I'm just so glad to have this thing up and running again. So now I can use Diggin AI without using my phone. I have had that experience and it sucks. Now, I can put my magnets away. Back up, there you go. I can now put this useful tool away. It is a Fredrickson mini screwdriver. The Fredrickson label has worn off throughout years of use again. I think I got that at a career fair. Alright, now the 6 screw covers. Okay. Cover. When covers used to be easily removable. And the battery. Flip it over. Open it. It is so dusty. Turn off the light and turn it on. Oh. I have to plug this shit in. Oh. Okay. I want to do it right here. Alright, you're going into the closet. Finally. I'm a little impatient at the time. Alright, here's the charger. It's plugged in. I have to get my mouse. Where's my... Ow. Uh-oh. RAM. Really? The RAM sticks are not in the correct position? I can tell because the num lock and the caps lock are flashing 3 times. And the fan spinning. Stop. Stop. No. No. This means faulty RAM, but for some reason the laptop likes my RAM sticks in specific positions. Alright, I'll try this again without the cover on. Oh, come on. You're doing this now? What the hell? Trying to get out excess power. DBV CR2032. RAM stick 1. RAM stick 1. RAM stick 2. Charger. Open. Son of a bitch again. Watch this. These are gonna flash 3 times. 1, 2, 3. See? It's fucking RAM. It's saying that something's up with the RAM. I assure you nothing's up with the RAM. You've had this for 2 whole years. Maybe 3 since I first got you. And now when I switch it back, you do this. I have to get my spare RAM sticks. 1 second. Got it. You know how much RAM prices are now? I have like a few extra. I could probably sell to make a quick buck. No? Okay, so maybe it's the bottom one. Come on, don't give me more issues. I want you to work. Fuck. Damn it, I put that one in incorrectly. Come on. Out. Okay. Okay. take one out, swap them around so that the good one is at the bottom. I dropped the other one. Fuck. I wish there were 2 SSD slots so I can... Bruh! No! Why? Oh, there we go. Watch this go. Show the same shit again. 1, 2, 3. Maybe if I plug it in via battery. Nope. What the hell? Ow. Okay, turn on by itself. Okay. It works. It fucking works. There we go. That's a happy loading screen. Now time to put you back in and leave it to charge for an hour. And now I can test the other batteries I have. Charge them up and use them as cartridges. Yay! Yay! I got my laptop to work again. Let's hope you connect. Oh, shit, I left you on all night? Well, good thing I have a long-lasting battery. Hello, hello? Hello, hello, I love you. Oh my gosh, that Monk song. I have to use a... Ow. I have to use a different mouse just so I can connect to my Logitech M240 Silent Touch mouse. So I have to use this inland one that's connected to a keyboard as well. I'm turning this one on just oh, it actually connected. Okay, I don't need you anymore. Ow! No, don't fall. Okay. Yay, I can use this thing now I can put this thing on my lap as I lay down now. Okay, so you can go in the extra box of screws and batteries and 2 RAM sticks that I saved. Those are gonna be for my actual computer, if I even get one. Alright, so, oh, right. Mouse works. Now it's time for the reveal. Come on, take your time. I hate the little black spots on the screen. Oh shit. See? Nope, you can't see that. Da 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 da! It works now. Oh, finally. How long until 56 minutes? I am so glad I got this to work. I am so glad I got this to work. Oh. Oh. Come on. Let's see how much storage space I got. Yee. 7.74 gigabytes. Really? This was the last thing I put on? This is when I dig an AI. I dove into dig an AI.
This is King George's News and Notes Hoppers Edition. Don't argue. They don't. Do not.
Shut up. Whoops. I forgot my laptop is that sensitive. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Shit. I forgot. When I do this, it does that. I've done that a bunch of times in previous videos. Like my reaction to the rise of Emil. Yeah, it's Emil. Email. Oh boy, Honey's gonna be so mad when he finds out I said that. If he even watches this video. Nice speed, comment, into the bed you go. Okay, so now I know this works. Hallelujah. Yes, restore. Okay, there we go. Like and subscribe to your #1 Crossing fan. Holy shit. I am so relieved. Now the next video, I'll show you. What the fuck? Why this ad? No, not you too. You suck. Further. Shut up! Okay, there we go. Oh, shit. Oh, right. I disconnected the clock battery, so now it thinks it's 1 a.m. I'll be fixing that off camera. Like and subscribe to #1 Crossing fan. Warning, this following action I'm about to show you is potentially dangerous, but I'm just doing it for science. So, as you can see, it's currently playing Y1CF edited slideshows and more. But if I stop it, take it out, it's gonna try to shit. Fuck. No, the thing to keep it closed. Oh, hang on. Oh, there we go. Alright. I'm gonna try this one more time. Look at it spin. Alright, let me try this again. I'm open this quickly. Slowly stop. Take this out. This thing will still spin. The laser will try to find the disc. I stop the motor. And now I put in a different DVD. Watch. Oh shit, it read it so quickly. That is actually... Okay, no, it's weirding me out now. It's weirding me out. Where's the thing? Where's the thing? Stop. What the fuck? It's giving me random shits. That has to be the home entertainment logo. It is. What the fuck? Huh? This is what the laser's at. Just give him through the intro. Ah! Alright, so wanna know something cool about this laser? You can't look at it directly, otherwise you'll harm yourself. So I'm gonna be at the end credits and watch this. If you can load. Move. Oh. Oh my fucking god. Oh, it's giving me some air. Now that I put my hand in front of it. Don't worry, this is totally safe. And the disc isn't sharp yet. Oh. You can actually hear it skip through. Alright, I'm gonna try this again. You saw what I did earlier, right? End credits. See? It moves to the far end. So close end is beginning, far end is end. Oh shit, I forgot I had 2 videos. Alright, well, end of video. Like and subscribe to Animal Crossing fan. I'll see you on the next one.